Today, the 6th of July, and I God the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Okay. To Mr. Ambrosio, who is going to assume office, please. I've seen your letter. It is written, you've been assigned additional responsibility and duties. You underline the word assigned, not with caretaking, but those are administrative jargons. You were had. It is 6 months. To me, this is test. They are testing you within 6 months. Can you perform? And anything can happen after the 6 months. Anything can happen. Positively on your side or negatively on what? On your side. So with the teamwork I talk about, the mayor is here. If things are getting out of hand, town clerk is here. Morris is here. Work with them.
This is a very rare opportunity, members, that I have to take very, very seriously. The 6th is when I assumed duty as the town agent from Batiba Town Council. It was the 6th of December 2012. Wow. And today, the 6th of July 2023, I am being handed over office of the senior assistant town clerk by my town clerk. I am very pleased. And I have to take the 6th very seriously. The 6th, yes. So I don't have much to say. As a new entrant, I have resources to help me. And one of the resources I have is my town clerk, who is there to guide me, to direct me, to instruct me, and to even discipline me. Yes, so I have resources. I'm head of department at the municipal council. Therefore, I take it as a special assignment, and I have to deliver based on the instruments of authority granted to me. I have the budget, I have the stamp, and the budget contains the needs and aspirations of the people of Bagai Division, drawn from the what? Kilgo Municipal Vision and Mission. I am there to implement exactly that. I am supposed to segregate my personal interest as an Bruzoli from public interest of Kigo Municipal and Bagai in particular. And when I'm here, I will always tell Kidega to be disciplined, to give room for assistant town clerk, to senior assistant town clerk to perform the role. I will be very careful there.
We have been able to coordinate and work together with Mr. Mona, with Mr. Uma. As you go with our president. To the incoming senior assistant town clerk and the technical staff that are here, plus the political leadership of Patel, this is just a start of the journey. I already said that we are in the process of saying that we need to recruit another substantive appointment in this position. But for the meantime, let's accord the Deka Ambrosoli all the conducive environment that it requires, all the support that it requires. I can assure you from the headquarters we shall give him all the support that it requires. But I want to tell him that working in a public office is very simple. It is not like local government, not like private sector, where you have inventiveness, you know. Public office is guided by the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and other acts of parliament. When I talk about other acts of parliament, you have local government acts are there. You have Public Finance Management Act 2015 is there, and especially for accounting officers. So you will test the kind of pressure we get as accounting officer. But I should also allay the fear that in performing this duty is very simple. Number one, it is the law. And I would request that let the politicians need to accept that we implement what? The law. Because at the end of the day, when we don't implement the law, we are bound to be arrested. We are bound to get problems. And when we get problems, the politicians are nowhere to be seen. So I am trying to say, please, you confine yourself to the law. But this law also, sometimes you can, for the greater good, you can sometimes close your eyes a little bit. A little bit. But it shouldn't be a practice that once I have seen the pressure from Honorable Chair, I should go and abrogate the law. No.
So I want to welcome you on board, and I pledge to give you the best environment, condition environment. I have told you you're not the first time clerk, and I've never quarreled with this time clerk, especially with the public. But there are times we close our door and this is not right, this is not right, we agree and we come. Because that is how we do management. I don't bring town clerk and beat him like in primary school. You lie down and we kill you. There are system of doing things there. Even me, I am a human being, I have my own weaknesses. But I have seen a lot of potential in the outgoing town clerk. I have seen the potential in you, and I'm sure we shall together with the council members we shall achieve. I now want to request them of the council, let's embrace this man, let's give him the support, and we work together. As usual, I don't have much to work about.
It's now difficult to talk much about the woman because he has exited, but we congratulate him for the job. My dear brother, we also congratulate you, but we now ask you in this very, very important takeover and annual ceremony that please master your roles and responsibilities as provided for in the local government act. You master that role. Master, let it be in your fingertips. One of your roles is that you should make sure there should be maximum revenue collected. With the help of aid of finance, should make sure there's revenue coming, okay? Don't teach me a chair. It is to make sure that expanding. Teaching. By the way, we teach now my chair. Make sure so nobody should threaten you when it comes to spending council funds according to the budget. You are on top of the game. So long as the budget has already approved, you are on top of the game. If the chairman wants a report going into a chair during financial reports, even with me, spend kind to be and then spending take a water. No, wait. So politicians come here financial report for the executive. Take a meaning. The meaning of being looking show everything. So teacher thumbs up my peer attack is channel down through aid of finance and town again to make sure money is spent according to the budget. So the teacher don't pay attention. The channel must be spent according to the budget. Council will pay the tool, executive will pay the tool. Don't again, which year of channel bill, data, but teaching no teaching data, more make a job channel. Data, more like yeah, teacher. But teaching me, channel, my deal to be back. I don't know, take a tour. No, the white deal, I'm the good, my right. I'm the good, my right. My channel, baby, channel, chair, come here, chair, according to the budget. So, one of them, I'm the good,